Even say nothing. Here, hold this for me and watch, because I made this up.
Yeah, ¿eso dónde apunto?
Here in my hands, I made these clips up, and hopefully I don't even have to adjust it, and I hope it works, because I kind of just guesstimated it. Are you recording? I think she wants to, but the screws are in the way. Try it again. There, 1, 2. We just gotta get this one in, and this screw kind of sucks, man, but everything else is in. Oh, there we go. Let's see. No, the clips are 2. Okay, it doesn't want to work right. Almost. Okay, so like again, I gotta probably do some adjustments up in here so they move them back maybe, or just mess around with the grill until I get it to fit. So once I get it to fit, I'll see if I'll take a picture of it. All right, until after that. But she's on there perfectly now, seamless. And what I ended up doing was unscrewing the clips I've made. And if you look from the inside, here's the in between the grill one. It's hard to see, but there we go. So I unscrewed it, put the grill where it needs to be. This clip is already saved, didn't break off. This one I unscrewed, turned the tab to the one side. It's really hard to see. Turn the tab to the one side, slid it back under pressure, and voila, it ain't going anywhere. So for all you 740i enthusiasts, or anybody else with this BMW that your car's dropping out its kidneys, there you go, there you have it. I used the curtain rod mount, played around with it, straightened it to the shape I wanted it in, and used those as my clips. I will take another video of what I used